Hi guys, welcome to Vinnie's Artisan journey. I'm so excited to meet you guys again in my episode today, which I'll be making Ipoh shredded chicken hor fun. Ipoh is well known for its flat rice noodles. In Cantonese, we call it sa hor fun, and it is prepared with local unfiltered spring water. We also call it kai si hor fun, served in a clear chicken and prawn soup with shredded chicken, prawns, and spring onions or chives. Today I'll be making Ipoh shredded chicken hor fun from scratch, and I hope you'll be accompanying me throughout the whole episode. For the broth base, we need 2 village chicken carcasses and 200 grams of tiger prawn heads and shells. Meanwhile, for the main ingredients, we need 2 village chicken legs, 6 shelled tiger prawns, cut into half lengthwise, 40 grams of chives, cut into 2 to 3 inches length, fried shallots, about 8 of them, we need to slice beforehand, and 750 gram hor fun or flat rice noodles. Firstly, we need to prepare half pot of cool water, adding chicken carcasses to boil. This process is to remove all the impurities and scums prior to making the broth. Turn off heat as soon as it starts rolling boil. Drain off all the water because we do not need all these impurities in our broth. Pour in 2500 ml of water. Allow some time for it to boil, and while waiting, heat up a pan on the other side of the stove. Pour in all our tiger prawn heads and shells. Dry fry it for a while without oil to get rid of all the moisture. This is how our broth looks like when it's rolling boiled. Turn to low heat and continue to allow it to simmer. Add in half cup of cooking oil to saute the prawn heads and shells. Allow the aroma to fully release and the color turn bright orange. Now transfer the prawn heads and shells into our broth. Reserve the prawn oil to be used later. Cover lid and simmer over low heat for a total of 2 hours. After simmering for 2 hours, add in 2 cubes of organic raw cane sugar. Season with salt to taste. In this case, I'm using Korean bamboo salt. As Korean bamboo salt is less salty in nature, I'm using more compared to the ordinary salt. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. Of course, you can always use the salt that is available in your kitchen. Just for your information, bamboo salt originated from Korea. It is sea salt burnt in pine wood fire, being burned for 8 times. Then on the 9th time, the salt is melted above 1300 degrees Celsius. It comes in different forms of fine, coarse, granule, grain, or powder form. Bamboo salt is a bioactive substance which is a great antioxidant. It detoxifies our body system, enhances immune functions, and prevents us from various diseases. Now blanch our prawns in the flavorful broth. Seafood is very fast to cook. As soon as it is cooked, set aside. Now blanch the chicken legs over low heat, cover lid and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Fry shallots on the other side of the stew until aromatic and light golden brown. Blanch the chives briefly and set aside. Remove and discard all the broth ingredients. Well, I'm so happy now. Our broth is made from all the natural ingredients and is ready to be used. Discard the chicken skin and shred the chicken meat. I have divided the flat rice noodles or hor fun into 3 portions, which each portion occupies about 250 grams. Well, up to your family. If you would like to divide into 4 portions, just go ahead. The hor fun, which weighs about total of 750 grams, should be able to accommodate 3 to 4 packs. After blanching the noodles, assemble all the ingredients on top of it. This is the fun part which I love most. Yummylicious! Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan journey. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Please don't forget to give me a like and feel free to give me some kind comments below. Till then, see you again.